As early as 8 a.m., a large crowd of beneficiaries had already gathered at the Direct Aid Tubakuta Center gates. They were there to receive the annual Ramadan food package, a vital lifeline for many during this holy month. According to Mohammed Orabi, the Deputy Country Director, the team was fully prepared for the day's exercise. Today's distribution, it consists of a 25-kilogram bag of rice, 5 liters of cooking oil, 8 kilograms of sugar.
Today we have 600 baskets for 600 family in Tubakuta area, and we wish all of them happy Ramadan inshallah, and we have another day to distribute 600 in Wednesday inshallah. Direct Aid Society, it is a non-government organization in Gambia office. This year we have 15 million for this budget of this year to distribute in Gambian community inshallah.
Event drew high-level praise from local authorities. Honorable Amul Nyasi, the Deputy Governor of the West Coast region, alongside Jamang Kamara from the Birkama Area Council and Adama Diallo from NGO Affairs, all hail Direct Aid for their consistent benevolence towards the Gambian people and those in the West Coast region in particular.
Government really appreciates and recognizes the efforts of Direct Aid, particularly when it comes to giving support to the Muslim Ummah during this blessed month, which is the month of Ramadan. You cannot reach every household in the Gambia, but the communities within which you operate, we have seen how impactful your support has been. We congratulate you, we thank you, and we pray for the Almighty Allah to reward all your efforts. Their money. We have seen Gambian society also emulate them. Most Gambians in the country and outside the country are also going all out to read that their fellow Muslim brothers and sisters would not have the challenges of feeding their families during Ramadan. So once again, we appreciate and recognize the efforts that you are doing, and government is aware of what you are doing, and that is why government is collaborating with you to give you all the support that you require as an NGO.
This is a very great initiative, as it will enable the most vulnerable people in every society to at least benefit. Direct Aid in the Gambia, they have about 4 centers, and all their centers are giving direct aid to the people. And this is well coordinated because they are involving the VDC and the alcalos and also the NGO affairs to facilitate the smooth coordination of this great activity. And we are very honored and we are very welcoming of this initiative. And we also urge other NGOs and other relevant philanthropists to emulate Direct Aid, as they are contributing a lot to the society.
The beneficiaries themselves shared stories of a long-standing partnership with the center.
Katuntela dimfolo wolle keta jambaji foloti na dillaba e ka fay dawda jawne wolle keta jambaji foloti aliatimol ye karandi janne.
This isn't just about today. We have benefited from this center for years, from the orphanage and households to various social supports that have truly transformed our lives. While today focus on the immediate community, the scale of the project is massive. Officials state that while the Tubakuta Center is targeting over 1,300 beneficiaries in its surrounding areas, the nationwide goal is to reach more than 6,000 families. Distribution is set to continue over the coming days at the Tubakuta Center, as well as Direct Aid's 3 other hubs in Banjulunding, Farafenye, and Brufut, alongside outreach to other vulnerable groups across the country. Ultimately, this annual gesture by Direct Aid aims to reduce the burden of food costs and, most importantly, put smiles on the faces of families this Ramadan. Khadijatu Jallow reporting.